Hi everyone, welcome back. Remy here. Today we have this viral recipe. It's sweet and simple breakfast idea I'm going to share. It's called custard toast. So let's see how to prepare this. It's very delicious and easy. So let's see. Here I'm starting with taking 1 egg, adding 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, then adding 1 tablespoon of honey. It's optional, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence for extra flavor. Give it a good mix, whisk everything together. Now we're going to make an indent on the bread like this. Make sure we don't break the bread slice, as we have to pour this custard mixture to the bread. But before that, we're going to apply a little butter like this. It's just to make this bread toast crispier. If you don't want that crispy toast, you can avoid adding the butter. So here we're going to add the egg mixture that we created. Now we're going to put fruits. Here I'm taking strawberry. Going to thinly slice it. Wash the strawberry and blueberries and cut it. Here I have this jumbo size blueberry, so I have sliced it or divided it into 2. I'm going to place it in each bread slices. You can even add banana slices. It's your favorite fruits that you want. You can add it here. You can be as creative as you want. You can add flaxseed or any pumpkin seed. You can be creative here, adding anything on the custard, the creamy custard that we created, and setting the air fryer at 385 Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. And here you can see how beautiful it looks. It smells so good. We have the vanilla essence here and the egg and yogurt mixture. It's very you can give as a surprise to your family and ask them to guess the ingredients in it. Nobody can guess that it has egg or yogurt in it. It's that easy. Now it's ready to be served, and you can dust the toast with powdered sugar and drizzle with honey or maple syrup. So here I'm pouring little maple syrup and dusting the toast with powdered sugar. There you have it, the custard toast. Perfect for breakfast or a quick snack. Try it today and you'll be surprised. Like it?
It's really sweet, and the custard, I love the flavor of it.
Of yogurt. Can you guess yogurt in it?
It doesn't taste like yogurt.
Really? It's December 26th and we have a beautiful weather here. Look at this, guys. This one is made of oats. I put oat bread here. Crispiness.
It's very crispy. So this is my second one and I loved it. And I might take a third one.
Really? You loved it?
Yes, I do.
There you have it, custard toast. Perfect for breakfast or a quick snack. Try it today. See you again in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.